Fortunately, the rider was lucky to avoid any serious injuries.
Okay. Oh, left turn. Before we jump into it, we do have a new website, and right now we have the Smart Rider drills for $19. It's 24 drills. You can practice. There's access to an app, so you can actually download the app, and you can start playing and practicing on the drills. So here's an intermediate drill right here. It's the boxer's glove. It automatically plays a video, so you don't have to click a QR code, and you get the drill itself. And it comes with a download for all 24 drills. And if you get it, go ahead and post your time in the comments, and we're going to have a leaderboard for every single drill. So your name's going to be on there as long as you stay in the top 5. But let's go ahead and jump into here. So $19 for 24 drills. Avoid serious injuries. Avoid serious injuries. How did he avoid serious? I mean, his left leg is about to get snapped. His head's about to hit the dash. His wrist's probably screwed up, but chest trauma. There's no armor in the chest, so there's chest trauma here. Here we go. You see the bounce that he did? Let's do this. So look at that leg. So he bounced off the A-frame post, and you see him flip up. You see him flip up. See that flip? So all the weight transfer into the pelvis. You can snap your pelvis. Guys, your femoral artery goes right through your pelvis. It bifurcates. It goes from your aorta to your femorals. So it goes down like that. So if you smash, it's gonna. If you smash, there we go. If you smash, it's gonna compress and snap. It could tear your femoral artery easily because the bone is sharp when it's broken. Thumbnail. Gotta do the O face. How did he not have severe injuries? And that was the side of the vehicle. You're right. So here's the side of the vehicle. We're going up here. We're going 91. I think it's, I mean, I see European plate, so probably kilometers an hour.
To avoid any
We're going high. We're going with the flow of traffic a little bit faster. Not a big deal. We see the vehicle. There's the side of the vehicle right there. Now it's coming out. So at this point, we have some room. We're swerving, but maintaining our speed. Maybe rolling off the throttle, not applying brakes. Okay, roll off the throttle, but let's apply some brakes and do some progressive braking. Do I have that button? Hey, progressive braking. Do some progressive braking. And then if that vehicle passes and goes through, you can continue going straight. If you find yourself in a bad spot, let's say right here, let's say we're still in our lane and we're doing progressive braking and you see yourself still in a bad spot, now you can swerve. Because you're slowing yourself down to buy yourself some time. It's not, hey, I'm gonna do progressive emergency braking to avoid the accident. That's not gonna be the case. You're doing progressive braking to buy yourself time because you're not gonna be able to stop in time. Your total stopping distance is terrible here. You're not gonna be able to stop in time. So you're slowing down to buy yourself some time to make an adjustment, to make an idea of like where you need to go. And it's the same thing with curves, same thing with everything. Like you're slowing down before the curve so you know what it is that you need to do or not do. And you might need to accelerate more. You might need to turn more. You might need to, same thing here. You're slowing down. So you might need to swerve or you might need to emergency accelerate. Or you might need to do something, but you're buying yourself some time. And then you're also preloading your front tire to have more traction. So when you do make that adjustment to swerve, you have traction on that tire to make that swerve. So the goal isn't to stop. It's to slow yourself down so that you can make a decision. Not good. Real quick though, how do you rescue this person? Write in the comments, how would you rescue this person? We're basically on a highway going like 80 something, 90 something kilometers per hour. So, there's gonna be traffic going at a high speed. I mean, we have to remain calm. If we come up on the accident, if you're by yourself, you're gonna have to try to do your best to remain calm. You're not gonna probably have access to your rescue pack or trauma kit because it's on the bike or it's somewhere else and it's flown everywhere and you probably can't walk after that. So the best thing you can do if you can ensure your own safety is get on the median. If you're able to, if your arms are still working and you have bleeding out of your leg, you might have to just be able to do direct pressure. But here's the thing is that if you're conscious and aware, you can tell people to do this. So this is why it's good to remember rescue, remain calm, ensure your own safety, stop major bleeds. It's very easy. And quickly assess severity, it's whatever for now. You might have to tell someone, I need you to call 911. I need you to make sure that I'm not going to get ran over, please. Like whatever it is. Hey, I'm bleeding out of my leg. I need you to put your weight on my leg and put pressure there and don't get off. Like you might need to tell someone to do that. But if you're coming up on this, that's what you do too.